In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a suspended user account in the Google Admin Console. If you need to restore access for someone in your organization, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to follow each part carefully so the account is fully re-enabled. Before you begin, make sure you're using an administrator account with the proper permissions to manage users in your Google Admin Console. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with your administrator credentials. This is the central place where you manage users, settings, and services for your organization. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct admin environment, especially if you manage more than one account or organization. From the Admin Console homepage, go to the main menu, then open Directory and select Users. This will bring you to the section where all user accounts are listed. Depending on the size of your organization, you may see a long list of users, so it helps to move carefully and make sure you're selecting the correct account. Next, locate the suspended user account in the directory list. You can scroll through the list or use the available search and filtering tools to find the user more quickly. As you do this, pay close attention to the account status so you can confirm that the user is actually marked as suspended and not affected by some other issue. Once you've found the correct user, open their detailed profile page. This is where you'll see account management options specific to that user. Look for the reactivate option and click it. This action begins the process of restoring the account so the user can regain access to their services. After that, confirm the billing status to fully restore user access. This part matters because in some cases, reactivation may not be completed unless the account's licensing or billing status is in good standing. Review the information shown, make sure everything is active and properly assigned, and then complete any confirmation required on screen. When finished, the user's account should be restored and available again. If access does not return right away, give it a few moments and verify that the changes have been applied successfully in the admin console. That's all it takes to reactivate a suspended user account in Google Admin.